They say nature has all the answers. Whatever the question, nature will always provide a solution. Our mothers have long asked, where can they find a diaper that is pure, premium, unique, and addresses the needs of their babies? A diaper with natural extracts, a diaper approved by nature. So they searched. Beyond the 7 seas and rivers, they searched. Beyond all the obstacles that guard the realms of the jungle, they searched. With the melodious singing of the tropical birds as a guide, they searched until they found it. Bebem with natural essences is made of organic cotton and natural bamboo. It's the answer our moms have been looking for. No chlorine, no latex, no paraben. Bebem with natural essences is nature's best for your baby. This is nature.